Hello everybody, this is Heather with 8 Cent Stamp, and I've come to show you guys a traveler's notebook journal that I've completed. I have used, I'm sure you guys have heard of her, Elsie Bells. She always talks about TLC creates vintage kits. And so I went over there and got this one. It's pretty pink floral. And I also went to Lindsay Zenora's Nevermore Creation 17 and got her tickled pink and beautiful petals and used the ephemera. The cover is just 2 pieces of cardstock sewed together. I did do a little bit of an overhang. I'm always too scared I'm going to cut it too short and then mess it up. So here we go, front pocket, fabric. There's a tag, Lindsay Zenora's ephemera kit. I can't remember where I got the flowers from. And here's vintage ledger paper that flips down. A rusty clip. Pocket. Notebook paper. A beautiful kit. Napkin decoupage on a tag. And I like painted, you know, like finger painted behind it so it would stand out a little bit more with the pink. Another little pocket, or a big pocket. Little tuck spot down there. Little tag. Music paper. I've been debating if I should do some stenciling. It might be a little too plain. Little belly band. That paper's so pretty. Another pocket. I was having problems with the sewing machine, but I left it. Another tag, burlap tag. Another big pocket. Another Lindsay Zenora card. Little corner tuck. Another little card, a little tuck. I just did a little glassine envelope, and you can tuck in there or behind there, and I just put a little tag in there, and that's it. And there's another little pocket. Thank you guys for watching, or hopefully you guys watched. I should have this on my in my Etsy store soon, 8 Cent Stamp. And thank you guys so much. Have a good day. Bye bye.